Hey guys, welcome back to Erwin's Art Adventure. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a pumpkin wearing a witch's hat. So let's get started. I'm going to do a long wavy line right here in the middle of my paper, and that's going to be the bottom of the witch's hat. So we'll go like a big wavy line, just like this. And at the end of at the end of the line, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come in like this, and I'm going to arch this one, but you can see that they're coming towards the middle. I'm going to do a little arch to show there's going to be a wrinkle on the hat. And I'm going to continue this line and curve it. Now I'm going to start right here, and there's going to be a little fold in the hat. So I'm going to start my line here, I'm going to do another arch, I'm going to curve like this. So if that's going to be the point, I'm going to have it come to a point, right? So I'm going to do this to show that there's a point there. And since the hat is a little wrinkly, I'm going to start my line here, and I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down like this. And that'll be the beginning of my witch's hat. So witches' hats actually have a belt or a strap that goes around it, right? So let's start off with the buckle. We're going to do a rectangle. And inside that rectangle, let's do another rectangle. Again, this will be the buckle of the hat. If you guys need to pause the video to catch up or just to come back to it later, and you could completely do that, and that's okay. So now we're going to finish the strap. So I'm going to draw my strap here and here in between these points. So it's going to be like this. A couple curved lines. So underneath we're going to do a pumpkin now. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if you guys remember in my previous videos, we did a couple of ridges on the pumpkin. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here. So I'm going to do the bottom of the pumpkin first. So I'm going to do a big wide U shape like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a C shape that's going to come up to the hat like that. We're going to do another U shape, but not as big. And then we'll do a backward C. And that's going to be my pumpkin shape. So to show that this hat has dimension and that like the pumpkin's wearing it, I'm going to actually draw a line here. And what this is going to be, it's going to be the inside of the hat. Now let's give the pumpkin a face. Again, you guys could be creative here, and you guys have the freedom to draw whatever you guys want. So I'm actually going to draw a small circle like this, and I'm going to draw a bigger circle like that. And those are going to be my eyes. We'll give the pumpkin some depth by adding some lines here, like if you were to cut through a pumpkin. And I'm going to give the pumpkin a little jagged smile. So I'm going to do a curved line in a series of sharp points. And I'm going to come up just like this. So to close the mouth off, I'm actually going to do a similar line, but underneath it. It's going to be a little bit bigger. So it's going to look like this. So I'm going to come to a point, point down, point up, down, point up, point down. And now I'm going to close off this curve. And let's give this mouth some dimension too. So I'm going to do a line here, and a line there. So I'm actually going to fill these spots in right here. Remember, it doesn't have to look like mine. You guys can make your pumpkin face any way you want. Just take your time. Now I'm going to actually give the pumpkin some extra ridges like we did in the last video. But this one's going to be a little different. So instead of doing a straight line, I'm going to actually give these lines some thickness. So I'm going to do a curved line here, and then right next to it, I'm going to curve another one, but come to a point. And let's go ahead and fill that in. In the middle, I'm going to curve one, and then I'm going to curve next to it. And right here, I'm going to do one last curved line. So remember, I'm just drawing one that runs parallel and comes to a point next to it, just to thicken the line up a little bit. And we could do the same with these bottom lines. And there's my pumpkin. Let's actually do a little spider coming from the tip of the hat. So I'm going to do a straight line, and I'm just going to do a little circle. But spiders have 8 legs, right? So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side, and we're going to do 4 legs on the other. Again, spiders have 8 legs. And there's my pumpkin wearing a witch's hat. You know what? Let's do one more thing. Let's add a bat. Let's add a small bat on here. So we're going to do some pointed ears. Kind of like this. And we're going to do some wings. So I'm going to curve. It's going to look like a Batman logo. So curve out. I'm going to do a ridge like this inside. I'll go ahead and fill that in. There's going to be a bat next to my pumpkin hat, or pumpkin head. And let's do a spider web right here, since there is a spider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at this point right here, and I'm going to do some straight lines. 1, 2, 3. If you need to pause the video, it's okay. Go ahead and catch up. Take your time. And within these lines, I'm going to do some curved lines. So I'm doing a couple of arches on the inside of these lines that we made to show that there is a spider web. There's my pumpkin wearing a witch's hat. I'm actually going to color this in with marker on top of marker paper, but feel free to use whatever you have around your house to color with or draw with. And again, it doesn't have to look like mine. Just take your time and we'll be right back. And that is my pumpkin wearing a witch's hat. I just want to say that I appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, with the help of your parents, like and subscribe. Or if you can like and subscribe on your own, feel free to. Halloween's right around the corner. By the time this comes out, Halloween will be tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great holiday. Make sure to pay your dad the dad tax in candy. He'll know what I'm talking about. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.